Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm making this video for people who are sitting for OET exam. So, first of all, we are going to discuss these following words: use of for, since, and over. These words are used when writing a referral letter. For is used to describe the period of time. For instance, I have been treating the patient for 3 years, for 6 months, for 1 year, for 5 hours, for 15 minutes, for a week, while we use since for referring to the start of period of time, since 2017, since January, since December, since 10 a.m. Afterwards, the over is used when we have to express a change in condition or describe a repeated event. For example, over the past 3 months, over the last year, over the last week, over the past 25 years. These are the example of the following words. These words are mostly used with the present perfect. Present perfect tense is used to describe an event which starts in the past and continue until the present. So this means that an event which is still continuing, in that case we are going to use the present perfect. Present perfect simple, we are going to use have or has with a past participle. I have treated Mr. Smith at this hospital for 3 years. Present perfect progressive, in which we are going to use have or has plus been plus a verb with ing. I have been treating Mr. Smith at this hospital for 3 years. Present perfect passive, in which we are going to use have or has with been with past participle. Mr. Smith has been treated at this hospital for 3 years. These are the common mistakes. The patient was diagnosed hypothyroidism since 2007. Instead, we can use the patient has had hypothyroidism since 2007, in which we are using present perfect, or we can say the patient was diagnosed with hypothyroidism in 2007, which is simple past. We cannot use past tense with for or since. As you can see, in simple past we are just using in, not for or since. Likewise, there is another example. She has been problems with arthritis in her hand. As problem in this sentence is a noun, so you cannot use been with a noun. So we can write like this: she has been having problems with arthritis in her hands since 2007. And likewise, these are the other examples. Or we can also use she has had arthritis since 2007. So the basic rule to remember is, if you're referring to a particular time in past, then you must use simple past tense. And if you're referring to a period of time that start in the past and continue up to now, use present perfect tense. These are the common time marker used with simple past and present perfect. That's all from my side. Thank you.